Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger could not download video. So guys, if you want to download video on your Messenger from here as you can see and not be able to download without any reason, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, after going to back you have to open your settings here and scroll it below. Here is the option of Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, if not connected, you need to connect it first. And if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have select 4G or 5G network. And now you have to go back, scroll it down, click on general, click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And now you have to go back. So guys, now you need to click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys, now you have to go back on your home screen again. Open your app store here. And here you need to search Messenger. So guys, after this you have to wait, click on your Messenger and update your app from here. And after doing updates, you need to go back and guys check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings again, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And after this you have to wait for more seconds. And here you need to find Messenger app and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this all the problems will be fixed that you are facing on Messenger. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.